Ladies of the day, my name is Jaya and I'm a chef and a culinary instructor by profession. Few days back, I did this workshop with Mr. Nitin Rohatgi. He's one of my mentors and my teacher from master's background. The session was on anxiety management. So anxiety is something which bothers us on daily basis, but we generally don't focus on it, and we leave it like a bad thought and we just simply move on. So in this session, initially I thought it might be some kind of session where we train our brain to think positive, but it was not like that. So I had this set of intensive exercises and activities where we initially found out the cause that why we were having this kind of anxiety with us, and I was astonished to know that there was an anxiety which bothered me from 6 years back and was still there with me. So it was like wherever I change a workplace or go to a new workplace, it is still there, and it bothered me a bit. So sir kind of rectified it, and he also introduced us to numerous activities which we can do to uh, lessen our anxiety. It can be related to workplace, it can be related to family, or it can be related to any other things which is related to our life, and can get us some kind of anxiety. So in the end, we had this beautiful activity which is called as anchoring, and it strengthens you from within, it gives you courage, and also it keeps you away from all the anxiety. So I recommend all those who are watching this video, or any those people who want to stay away from anxiety, to definitely do this program. And also sir offers numerous programs like neuro-linguistic programming, which is having a lot of trend these days. Even I'm planning to do the same. So thank you.